Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change allow photo access and share it content and privacy restrictions on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X for your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the screen time. Then in the screen time, scroll down again and click the content and privacy restrictions. Then after that, in the content and privacy restrictions, scroll down and go to privacy sections, then click the photos. Then in the photos, find the share it under the apps with requested photo access, then click. Then in the share it, if you want to change it to all photos, just click it until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to none, just click also until there's a check mark on the side. Allow share it access your full photo library or only photos that you select. Access to photos includes associated metadata such as location and depth information. And that's it. We have successfully changed allow photo access and share it content and privacy restrictions on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!